We spent 5 days in Canggu and did a quick side trip to Uluwatu. Let me show you my favorite spots. Day 1, nag-start kami sa Free Valley Eco Beach for a floating breakfast. I mean, how cool is that? Floating in the pool while enjoying breakfast? Perfect way to start the day, diba? Pagdating ng hapon, pumunta kami sa La Brisa. This beach club has the best vibes. Ordered some food, grab a drink, and just enjoy that view. Totally worth it. Day 2, nag-coffee kami sa Cafe Kitsune. Tip ko, orderin nyo ang sea salt latte and matcha marituzo. Then we went to Yuki. If you're into Japanese food, this place is a must. Had some bomb sashimi and maki rolls. Lunchtime naman sa Varuna Warong. Parang karinderya siya, masarap din at mas affordable ang food. Then nag-coffee kami sa Times Beach Warong for sunset, pero unfortunately, medyo gloomy ang weather that day. For dinner, we went to Inclusive Warong. Medyo may kamahalan pero sulit dahil sa laki ng serving. Ang sarap ng nasi goreng at mi goreng nila. Plus, may drag show pa sa taas if you want to watch. We were planning to party at Hotel Mexicola pero after seeing the outfits, we realized hindi kami bagay. So we decided to call it a night and went back to the hotel. On day 3, nagpunta kami sa Uluwatu. First stop, GWK Park. Naglakad-lakad kami, bumili ng ice cream, took some cool photos in the area. Then we headed to Lee Cliff Valley. Grabe, ang stunning ng view. A bit of a hike down but worth it for that scenery. Next, nag-coffee kami sa Arabica. Kyoto latte, panalo lagi yan sa panlasa ko. Pero yung coconut americano, hindi ko talaga trip. But the place was so chill and my cute dog na roaming around pa. Day 4, nag-breakfast kami sa Copenhagen. Burgers, waffles, and toast. Kinda pricey pero okay naman. Then we grabbed cocktails for happy hour and watched the sunset sa Times Beach Warong. Day 5, we grabbed coffee at Gigi Susu. Don't miss their pastel de nata. It's a must try. Then we went back to the hotel for breakfast. Before checking out, we decided to go surfing but only Ryan ended up doing it. Afterward, we went to Penny Lane for lunch before heading off to Seminyak. And that's a wrap on our Canggu and Uluwatu trip. Follow along for more travel tips.